Hi everyone, my name is Ann Roberts and welcome to the 2022 Global Taproot Summit here in beautiful Knoxville, Tennessee. I will be your Whova expert this year. If you should have received an email from me telling you how to download the Whova app or how to use it on your desktop. If you have any questions, please come find me and I'll be happy to answer them. First, I'm going to walk you through the desktop version of Whova. Okay, so here is the home screen of our Whova app on our desktop. Here you'll find some information you can scroll through and read. On your right here, you'll find the activity feed. So when someone posts in the community board or posts a picture, you can see all that information right here. But most importantly, where you need to be is over here on the left, where we have our agenda. You can find all our attendees. You can see community discussions, personal messages. You can upload photos. Here's your leaderboard for our contest. And here's where you'll find resources. So any PDFs or presentations you'll find here. First, I'm going to walk you through the agenda. So I clicked on the agenda, and we have the full agenda here, or you have my agenda here at the top of the page. Right now we don't have anything added, so I'll take you through how to add something to your agenda. As you're building your agenda, you can just scroll through here and see what we have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So let's just show you how to add something on Wednesday. Say I want to attend the Vincent Phipps Amplify Your Presentation here. I go all the way to the right and I just click on Add to My Agenda. Now you can either add it just to your Whova or you can add it to your own personal calendar. The choice is yours. And that is how you add everything, and this is how you build out your agenda. So at the top here is where you pick Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then once you're done adding, you can click on My Agenda and that will show you all your sessions you have. Next, click on Speakers. These tells you who is speaking in which session. All right, next let's look at our attendees. Here you'll find our attendee list. This is where you can connect and say hi. So during a name game, this is going to be important for you. You'll come into this attendee section. If you have to meet someone who's virtual, you'll come in here and you'll click on the say hi. It'll take you to a message you can say to that person. Or if you want to set up meetings, or if you want to find somebody who you've been dying to meet, just come in here and you can set that up. You can search all of our attendees, or you can come over here to the search bar here on the right, and you can type in their name if you happen to know who that person is you're looking for. Next is our community discussion boards. Here you can add a topic. So if you wanted to talk about one of the success stories you heard about, you can go here and add this topic and post, or you can come in and click on other people's community discussions and start sharing your thoughts and ideas here. You'll find local restaurants, you can answer icebreakers. This is a great place that was really useful last year. And under messages, this is where you're going to find people who have messaged you, or you can message someone directly here. Here in the photo section is where you're going to upload your photos for our contest this year. Whether you're in person or virtual, you can compete, it doesn't matter. So our competition, you'll be going through who took the most photos and who had the best photo. Next, you'll find our leaderboard. This is also a way you can win a prize this year. The more you use Whova, the more points you have. So if you participate in polling, you like photos, you talk on the community board, you direct message people, that is how you up your points. So the more you do, the better points you have. And lastly, you have our resources. So say you attended a session and you wanted to answer one of their questions, you can come in here to the session Q&A, and anybody who has a question uploaded, you can see here. You can go in here, view question, and answer it. This is where you'll find the videos. Once we start recording sessions and uploading them, here's where you can find the videos for the next 3 months for all our sessions. Next, you can find all the polls here for all our sessions. And then lastly, we have our Whova guide. So if you don't understand what's going on, or you have more questions, you can come in here and you can look at these videos for our Whova guide. So let's go back home. And that is Whova in a nutshell. Also under resources, before I forget, you can find any PDFs that we upload or any presentations that we upload. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Come find me at the summit or email me, and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Or you can direct message me on Whova.